Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications of Traffic Escape. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the Settings application. Now scroll down your screen and tap on Apps option. Here click on Manage Apps. Now in the search bar, type in Traffic Escape. Click on Notifications option. Now, in order to turn off the notifications, you'll just have to tap on the button of Show Notifications. So that is how you can turn off notifications of Traffic Escape. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.